What I want to do in this video is to show you very clearly how to cite a unit of reference. So I've deliberately chosen a very simple object, a straight cylinder, in order to do this. So what you are seeing in this video, the point of view that you're seeing is basically you, the artist, as you are observing objects. And just like citing reference lines, you'll have your arm outstretched and you'll close one eye using your strong eye, of course, and you're going to be citing the unit of reference. Now right now what I'm looking at is just the baseline of the object. To do a unit of reference, you need to have just a slightly different grip on the pencil, and what you're going to do is you're going to line up the tip of the pencil with one edge of the object. Since I'm right-handed, I'm lining it up with the left side of the object, as you can see over here. Then I'm going to slide my thumb along the length of the pencil until it lines up with the other side of the object. In this case, it's the right side. And trying to be as steady as possible, I'm lining up my thumb along the pencil to gauge to set the unit of reference. So there it is, right about there. The pencil point aligned with one side, my thumb with the other. And you'll notice that because this is a straight cylinder, you could gauge that distance anywhere along the body of it. So now as I move my pencil around, I want to make sure that my thumb stays right where it is. Just like in citing a reference line, I want to make sure it doesn't go back in space or come towards me or anything like that, but to try to stay perpendicular to my line of sight. So let's just double check. Okay, we're still there. We're looking good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn 90 degrees and we're going to check the height of this thing compared to its width. So I'm lining my thumb up with the bottom of the object, and I'm making a mental note as to where the tip of the pencil falls over the object. So it's somewhere about a third of the way up. In this case, you can see it sort of lines up with the edge of the table that the object is on. That's just a coincidence, but I'm making a mental note of where that is, and then I'm going to slide my thumb up to that point. I'm going to take another mental note of where the tip of the pencil is now, slide my thumb up to that point, and you can see that we have an object here that's roughly 1 unit wide and 3 units tall. And that is how you can cite proportions of an object. So we have discovered that this object is 1:3. If we made a drawing of it and we measured the proportions in the drawing and they were not the same, it would be very simple to make a change and have a more accurate looking object.